Hey everyone, we're back cooking with Grandma Tanner. You weren't here last week, were you?
Yeah, I was.
I didn't get it posted because it went in post. Was it last week?
Kelly did it.
No. All right. Anyway, she's doing quick cheeseburger pie today. And it is a breakfast casserole.
It is a breakfast, but I think you could use it for lunch or dinner also. With a salad or something.
It smells good.
Yeah.
So take it away, Grandma.
Okay. Well, you use a 9-inch pie plate. And I fried the hamburger with an onion. And drained it. And so you put that in the bottom. There's not a crust, but I did spray it with Pam. And I have, it's supposed to be 2 eggs. But these, my little chickens are laying eggs. And so they're smaller, so I use 3. You just whip that up. And then you put a cup of milk in with this. And whip that up some more. And then this is a 1/2 cup of Bisquick.
Okay.
This is a very simple recipe and it's delicious. Get all around the edges.
So does that make like a crust on the top then?
Yeah, then you put the cheese. You put the cheese on top.
Hmm.
So you just pour this over the hamburger. You know what? This would be a good meal to teach your teenagers or junior high child. And then I have this, you can use cheddar cheese, but we have this wonderful green onion cheddar. And so I used 3/4 a cup of the green onion cheddar. I shredded it. And then I put about 1/4 of a cup of the
mild cheddar.
So you just mix that all up.
That over there?
Mm-hmm. And just put this over the top. And you put it in at 375 to 400 degrees for only 25 minutes.
So that'd be a quick dinner.
It'd be a quick dinner, and they have their protein, their cheese, and all you need is a little applesauce or
vegetable.
Yeah. Something quick and easy when the kids are going all different directions. And that's it.
Oh, wow.
Very simple.
I might have to try that tonight.
Yeah, so I had this all measured out, which made it so much easier. But
did you make one yesterday?
Yes, I made. I'm gonna stick this one in the oven.
You want me to get it? Got it?
I think I can get it. My hip is getting much better.
You put it on the low rack, huh?
I'm gonna put it on the low rack this time. But this is the one that I made this morning.
Oh, nice.
It just it gets thick and sets up.
I wonder if you could serve it with like marinara sauce.
Oh, I think we could, or some of our salsas.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that'd be really good.
Would be real good, yes. But it's a quick and easy. Let me get a knife. And we'll try a little bit here.
Give me a fork. There we go. Oh, you're cutting.
The employees will want to come in and taste this. I thought maybe I should pop it in the
oven. That is really good.
Yeah, it's got meat and...
That's got a really good flavor, Grandma Tanner.
Mm-hmm. It's something that's very easy and you got... I would teach my junior high children to make this.
Oh, yeah.
You could have the hamburger already fried for them. Little wedges, and then it comes out real nice like that.
Good. So she mixed cheddar cheese and our green onion cheddar. We also have, I'll hold these up, this hot habanero.
Hot habanero.
That would make a good one if you like it spicy. And
here's a bacon
garlic horseradish. And we have apple cheddar, which is my favorite to eat with just crackers. So we have all those cheeses in our cooler with the cider available here at the farm. Shred them, cut them, crackers.
Yes, our
cheeseburgers.
Granddaughter gave me a shredder.
Okay.
I love that thing. She said she just doesn't think she'll use it. I don't know if they got it for a wedding gift
I think
or what.
they already have it. They have another one too.
Oh, they had another one?
Yeah. They shred all they buy blocks of cheese and shred it. They don't buy the bags of shredded cheese. So, all right. And then this weekend we also have pumpkins and squash.
Pumpkin squash. We have butternut, sweet mama, acorn.
Yeah, carnival.
And do they have some gourds picked?
I'm not sure. I haven't been out there
The
to see.
sweet corn is over with, and the peaches are gone, but we have lots of Honeycrisp.
Yep, we have Honeycrisp, Smitten, Macintosh. I don't know. Gala's and we have pumpkins and Mom's out. So we're ready for a busy fall weekend. We will be open Saturday and Sunday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. The Mini Moos will be here from 10 to 5, along with the Unicorns and Elsa. The U-Picks open 10 to 5, last admission at 4:15. So we hope to see a bunch of you people out here this weekend. Looks to be a beautiful week.
And I think the U-Pick is all open.
Yeah,
the U-Pick. Three or four different varieties, yes.
Yep, and the sunflowers are still out there. So
yes.
They can get
and we have zinnias and cosmos and blue ageratum.
Yeah, which is beautiful. And you can pick your own, and I'm not sure how much everything is a stem, but there you go.
I think you get a whole bucket full.
$25 or something, yeah. So there it is, quick cheeseburger pie. I did post the recipe. Bless you, Grandma. And it is real good. I might have to get me a piece of that. So.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
I think I should put it in the microwave for just